Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Dexterous Lifestyle Podcast with your co hosts, Andie Hancock, and
Kellie Powell. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
we have an incredible guest today. She is a woman after my own heart in finding solutions for everyone
Mhm.
and not feeling you don't have to feel like you're a messy person. It is Cassandra Aarssen of the Clutterbug. Welcome, Cass.
Welcome,
Hi.
Cass.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. How are you guys doing? I'm recovering super slob. So the first 30 years of my life, I was a disaster to like a TLC special kind of.
Well, thank you so much. And now, time for the intro.
In a world filled with chaos, we try our best to create a balanced lifestyle. We love to be productive, but we also love to rest. We love to be efficient, but not at the cost of our peace.
I love that.
Great. I know. It's it always keeps us due north to yeah, in the right direction for
Yeah,
like who we're serving and why we're doing this. I really am grateful for the people who helped us edit that video.
absolutely.
You talked at our NAPO conference last year in Baltimore, and we met in the hallway. We took a picture.
I remember you. You're
Yeah.
memorable. Paid bills and I just tossed it all in there. But here's the magical thing. It actually like my house stayed tidy and I knew where things were. And strategy and as organizing professionals, you'll know how terrible this was. But I said to people when I was done organizing their home, if it does not stay organized for 30 days, I promise you I'm going to come back and organize it for free. Gosh, not only are you detailed, but you're visual. And these important things I can't put behind closed doors. I have to put on the wall.
Even now, for me, we've been organizing for some time now, but just okay, something that I take for granted, lifting up the lid's not a big deal to me. But for someone else, that's a level of difficulty. So let's address that. That we love about your book is that it normalizes everybody. you know, there's it removes shame from however you think and organize. And that's something that we're met with so many clients as soon as you walk in the door.
But I don't want to guess because I haven't really talked to you enough, but I'm kind of guessing. Okay. Anyways, just hit me. Hit me with your styles.
So I'm gonna throw a monkey wrench in your theory.
Really?
Because I'm a
No, when
bright
I was listening
color.
to the book, I thought she was a certain bug too, and then when she took the quiz, she was something different. So
I'm a
So you're
cricket.
a
probably good.
cricket, not a bee. Okay. I would have thought you were a bee.
I thought she was a ladybug, but based on her personality. But then when I thought about it, she puts everything away,
Oh,
but
she
it's
does.
not in a very like, like it just needs to be clear. Kind of, it still has to be organized.
Yeah.
I'm the
Okay.
bee.